Hello, this is Mrs. Peña, and in this video, we are going to take a look at an expository essay. As you can see here, this is a 7th grade writing expository prompt. You have the read, the think, and the write. This is the topic students will write about. Make sure they only focus on the write. Don't worry about the read or the think. Focus on only the write. In this expository essay, our prompt is write an essay explaining whether a positive attitude helps a person be successful. I have broken down the essay into paragraphs. This is the introduction. The introduction, you only have your hook and your thesis statement. The hook works to grab the reader's attention. Let's take a look at the hook this person used. A sapient person once said the word impossible itself says I'm possible. Okay, that's a good hook. Now let's take a look at the thesis statement. This clearly means that as long as you have a positive attitude, nothing will be impossible and you will be successful. The thesis statement answers the prompt. It is a statement that conveys the essay's topic and two main reasons, and it states your position. This individual clearly stated his position and stated two ideas. His idea one is that nothing will be impossible. This is going to be the focus of his first body. The second idea is that you will be successful. This will be the focus of his body two. Here we have our body one, paragraph 2. Your body one is composed of the following: your topic sentence, your concrete detail, your commentary, and your concluding sentence. The topic sentence, you introduce your paragraph, your idea. This person wrote, to commence with, your attitude depends on how successful you will be in life. His concrete detail comes from the help strategy. Help someone from history, current events, literature, or pop culture. Take, for instance, Albert Einstein, the man that forever changed and revolutionized the world. So here, his concrete detail is Albert Einstein. Then we move on to the commentary. The commentary, you elaborate on what this individual did. Einstein was known as a total freak when he was just a boy. Believe it or not, he failed his test when he was young because he had a way of seeing things that more advanced than everyone else. Eventually, he grew up and became the successful man we know because he never gave up, even though this wasn't the case when he was younger. The commentary, if you take a look, the very last sentence, he refers back to his idea. His idea one was that nothing is impossible. And he kind of restates that here when he mentions that he became a successful man because he didn't give up. Finally, we have our concluding sentence. Our concluding sentence is used to wrap up your idea. Hence, it is crucial to have a positive attitude when trying to achieve success. Let's move on to Body 2, Paragraph 3. Body 2 follows the same format that Body 1 does. It contains a topic sentence, a concrete detail, a commentary, and a concluding sentence. Another important factor is that when trying to reach success, it won't be easy to achieve. You will have to overcome many obstacles. This right here is the topic sentence this individual used. Let's move on to the concrete detail. For example, in the Forrest Gump, Forrest, the main character, has to overcome many obstacles before he succeeds. Forrest is his concrete detail. Let's move on to the commentary. In his early years, he gets bullied and picked on, and when he gets older, fights in war and survives miraculously. None of this was enough to lower his positive attitude and succeeds in achieving his life goal. This right here is the student's commentary. He developed his idea and he linked it to his example. Now let's look at the concluding sentence. Thus, it is important to maintain positive. Let's move on to our fourth and final paragraph, the conclusion. In the conclusion, the first sentence, you restate your thesis. In the second one, you link it back. You show your reader why what they read was meaningful. The reader should leave with the feeling that what they have read has reached its ultimate ending and can apply what they've read to their own world in some way. All in all, staying positive is the way to success no matter what happens. Sometimes obstacles will overcome our way to try to stop us, but as mentioned before, with a positive attitude, you will succeed. So here, this individual went ahead and restated the thesis, and in the last sentence, he showed the reader that what they wrote was meaningful. This concludes this presentation. Thank you.